In recent years, we have seen major events that have brought feminism into focus, from the Me Too movement to the worldwide Women's March protesting Donald Trump's presidency. On this module, we will explore what's known as feminism's fourth wave, with a focus on digital culture, intersectionality, and activism. We will explore questions like, what is feminism and why do we need it? What does feminism in the 21st century look like? And who is it for? We will take an interdisciplinary approach to the study of feminism, with case studies ranging from film and media to literature and fashion. What you will take away from this module is the ability to critically reflect on the value and limitations of different developments in 21st century feminism, and a sense of your own responsibilities, contributions, and values as feminists.